Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss another example of assignment problem. This assignment we are going to do with the help of Hungarian method. This Hungarian method is also called as a floods technique. Now here in this particular given example, there are four jobs A, B, C and D, and there are four machines P, Q, R and S. And our task is to assign these machines to these particular jobs. Now we'll start with the solution. The first step is we have to check whether the given matrix is balanced or not. Now what is the criteria for checking the matrix? Here in this matrix there are four jobs A, B, C and D, and even four columns. As the given matrix is balanced assignment matrix or balanced assignment problem, hence we can directly apply the steps of Hungarian method. As you all know, there are four steps in Hungarian model. Step number 1 is row reduction, also called as row subtraction. Step number 2 is column subtraction. Step number 3 is draw lines, and step number 4 is we have to make the assignment. Now let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 is row reduction or row subtraction. In order to apply these steps for row reduction, we are going to refer the matrix which is given in the question. So here in the question, step number 1 is row reduction or row subtraction. Now let us see at the first row, row A. Elements given are 31, 25, 33 and 25. Here lowest element in this particular first row is 25. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this lowest element from all other elements of that row only. So 31 minus 25 is 6. 25 minus 25 is 0. 33 minus 25 is 8 and 25 minus 25 is 0. Same pattern we are going to follow for row B, that is row number 2. In this second row, the lowest element is 21. So subtract this 21 from all other elements of that row only. 25 minus 21 is 4. 24 minus 21 is 3. 23 minus 21 is 2. 21 minus 21 is 0. Similarly, for row C, lowest element is 19. Subtract this 19 from all other elements of that row only. 19 minus 19, 0. 21 minus 19 is 2. 23 minus 19 is 4. 24 minus 19 is 5. Similarly, for last row, row D, lowest element is 34. So 38 minus 34 is 4. 36 minus 34 is 2. 34 minus 34 is 0. 40 minus 34 is 6. And this is the matrix that we have got after step number 1, that is row reduction. After row reduction, step number 2 is column reduction or column subtraction. Now, the matrix that we have got after row reduction, that is step number 1, same matrix we are going to refer for step number 2. Now, the same steps that we have applied for row reduction, the same steps we are going to apply for column reduction, but column wise. Here there are four columns P, Q, R and S. We are going to select first column. In this first column, values are 6, 4, 0 and 4. Lowest value is 0. So subtract this 0 from all other elements of that column only. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is again 4. Similarly, for column 2, lowest value is 0. Subtract this 0 from all other elements of that column only. As we subtract 0 from all other elements of that column, this column will remain as it is. For column R, again lowest value is 0. Subtract this 0 from all other elements of that particular column and we'll get the same values, that is 8, 2, 4 and 0. In last column, 0 is the lowest element, hence all the elements of this column will remain as it is. Now, step number 3 is draw lines. The matrix that we have got in the column subtraction or column reduction step, that is step number 2, same matrix I have written here. For step number 3 also, drawing lines. Now the criteria for drawing lines is we have to draw a line either row wise or column wise. The only criteria is that line should cover maximum number of zeros. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? We will check first. In first row, there are number of zeros are 2. In second row, number of 0, 1. In third row, number of 0, 1. In fourth row, number of 0, 1. Similarly, we'll check column wise also. In first column, number of zeros are 1. Second column, 0 is 1. Third column, there is only 1 0. Fourth column, there are 2 zeros. Now, as per the rule, we have to draw such a line that will cover maximum number of zeros. Here, as you can see, there are maximum, that is 2 zeros in row number A, and similarly 2 zeros in column number S. Remaining all rows and all columns contains only 1 0. So I will draw my first line that will cover maximum, that is 2 zeros. So this is my line number 1. Now, in each and every row, as you can check, in row B, there is 1 0, row C, there is 1 0, row D, there is 1 0. Similarly, in column also, column P, 1 0, column Q, there is no 0 left, column R, there is 1 0, and column S, there is 1 0. As there is only 1 0 in row also and also in column. Hence, we can draw a line either row wise or we can draw a line column wise. The only thing that we have to draw lines here in this particular step is we should cover all the zeros present in the matrix. Now, there is only 1 0 in row B, 1 0 in row C, and 1 0 in row D. I am going to draw the lines. So this will be my line number 2. For covering this 0, this is my line number 3. And for covering this 0, this is my line number 4. Now, as you can see here, I have drawn 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4, in order to cover all the zeros present in the matrix. Here, as number of lines that I have drawn is 4 is equal to number of rows and columns. As we already know that there are 4 rows, that is A, B, C and D, 4 columns P, Q, R and S. Similarly, we have drawn 4 lines, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. As number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns, hence we can go for final assignment. And this is my step number 4, that is make assignment. This is step number 4, make assignment. As in step 3, we have got 4 lines which is equal to number of rows and number of columns. Hence, we can directly go for making the assignment. Now, the criteria for making assignment is we have to select a row or a column, but that row or column should contain only 1 0. This is the criteria. First of all, we will check. So, in row A, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Leave that row because it is not fulfilling our criteria. In row B, how many zeros are there? There is only 1 0. As we all know, we can make the assignment when a row or a column contains only 1 0. So in this row B, there is only 1 0. So this is my first assignment. I am doing a square mark to this particular 0. As I am doing it row wise square mark, this 0 is in column number S. So from that particular column, we have to cancel all the zeros. Repeating the same process. In row C, again there is only 1 0, fulfilling our criteria. So this is my second assignment. This row or this 0 is in column number P, but in this column there is no any other 0 present. Again continuation with the same step. Row number D, there is only 1 0. So this 0 I am doing a square mark. Again, row number A, previously there were 2 zeros, but there is only 1 0 left. So this is my final assignment. So for doing the assignment, we have to select a row or a column which contains only 1 0. And this square mark is nothing but my assignment. So I have assigned job A to machine Q, job B to machine S, job C to machine P, and job D to machine R. Now the last step is we have to find out the value of this particular assignment. As we all know, just now we have done the assignment. A is assigned to Q. Here I have written job A is assigned to machine Q. Job B is assigned to machine S. Job C is assigned to machine P. And job D is assigned to machine R. Now the values which are given in the matrix, that is question. Here we have seen the question. So for A, the assigned machine is S, value is 25. So whatever values are given in the question, that I have written here. For job A, machine Q, value is 25. For job B, machine S, value is 21. These values I have taken from the question matrix. For job C, machine P, value is 19. For job D, machine R, value is 34. And hence the total comes up to 99.